Hello everyone. Am I audible? Give your confirmation in chat box. We will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let other to join. Put message to your friend to join fast. Am I audible? Put your answer in chat box. Okay. At the end of the session, I am going to share link for a Google Meet where I will take attendance. So everybody have to be present full session. Then I will share feedback form with you people, and then you people have to join a session for attendance. So put message to your friend, join fast, so that if we join early, we can finish it early, and if we required, we can continue till tomorrow. Not till tomorrow. On tomorrow at 11 a.m. we can continue if we required. But tell others to join fast. I will share a Google Meet link. At the end, you have to join with Google Meet. At the end, I will share link with you people. Otherwise, I will share with you. At the end, you have to join for attendance on this link. Don't join right now. I will. Your attendance in comment box is also considered. Don't join with this link. Don't join now with this link. Shall we start? Shall we start with the session? I think I am perfectly audible. Okay. And wait, I will share a screen. Wait, I will share a screen and give me confirmation that PPT are visible. so that I will stop Google Meet. So, good afternoon everyone. I am Shubhangi Verudkar, Assistant Professor at KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research. Welcome all of you in one-day workshop. On design of mini projects without hardware. Okay. So in today's session, we are going to see that how we can design our mini projects without hardware. So as we know that during this pandemic situation, it's very difficult to make availability of hardware and prepare a project. So by considering this situation, we are going to explore with some simulators with which we will able to design our IoT projects or embedded system projects. Okay. So for it, I would like to welcome again everyone for design of our mini projects without hardware. Session is scheduled at 2 p.m. by our Excelsior Education Society, KC College of Engineering, Management Studies and Research. Okay. So, what are the conditions, designs for mini project? What are the requirement? So, mainly to design any mini projects or major projects also, we are having a two platform. One is a hardware based and another one is a simulator based. And in some cases, we can have a combination of both also. Okay. So, mainly as a two platform, we are preferring, that is hardware based and simulator based, and combination of it also sometime we need to have, like suppose we are sensing a data from hardware and that we can display it on we can say the website and all. So simulator is supporting to it and we can use a platform to display a data and all. Okay, so mainly when we are preferring to use a hardware platform for doing our mini projects or major projects, so main boards used to do these projects are Arduino boards, then Node MCU boards, Raspberry Pi boards and sensors. So widely used boards to do the Internet of Things based projects or embedded system based projects, we use a platform that are listed here: Arduino boards, Node MCU, Raspberry Pi and sensors. Out of which mainly we are going to see in a today's session, that is a Arduino board, and that too by using a simulator. So we can say the projects without hardware. So although Arduino board is not with you, till by using a different types of sensor. So here we are having Arduino boards and different types of sensors. So as everybody is very well aware about the concept, that is what is meant by sensor. Sensor is going to sense the information from a physical world, and after sensing that information, it is converting into a electrical quantity and given it to your embedded boards. So sensor is nothing but a transducer which is going to sense the information and will convert information will it into electrical form for giving that input to your embedded boards like Arduino boards, Node MCU and Raspberry Pi. Okay, so that things we are going to cover in a today's session, that how we can use the Arduino less Arduino board and the sensors, and how we can simulate the things. Okay. So actually to do these IoT mini projects, we are having a number of sites. Okay, but it's quite impossible to cover everything within a one day. But you are having a great opportunity here to explore you people lot with a different platform. So it's not like that only we have to prefer a Tinkercad to do a project. There are the number of platforms which you people can prefer. So in today's session we are going to see a Tinkercad, but you people can prefer to do your mini projects on Node-RED, then Remote XY and bwise.com for IoT simulator. So I will just show a platform to you people. This platform I will show you and how we people can continue with the things. Only the thing is that in today's session we are going to continue with the Tinkercad. Next session we will surely plan for doing the projects based on this platform also. So here is a Node-RED platform. On this Node-RED platform, you are having the IoT specialized platform. Here you can do a mini projects by using this. Here you are having a freedom to represent your data on dashboard like this. You can create your own dashboards. You are having a number of sites there where this is also no need to have a very much idea about a coding and all. If you don't know coding, then also you can do a projects by using this Tinkercad platform, Node-RED platform. Only the drag and drop platform is this. So emotions analysis and a lot of many projects are there which you can do by using this Node-RED platform. And to take a data and all, number of sites are available through which you people can take a data and do your mini projects, and you can show your outputs on dashboard like this. Okay, so this is a Node-RED platform we are having. Then we will check another platform. This is a remote XY platform. This is also very widely used. That is where we can monitor a data from a remote place. Okay, everywhere what we are going to do, we are going to use the website based platform only. So create your graphical interface for the board control. And which board you people can use? You can use Arduino Uno board, ESP8266, ESP32, then Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Here all the data sensed from this board, you people can reflect it on a dashboard. Okay, what are the steps to do it? 4 steps only for this. Create a graphical interface, then download the source code, connect wire module and install it on mobile app. So you can show your output on your mobiles also. So smartphone also you can use to reflect your output. Okay, so your output will, graphical representation will be shown like this. You can do a graphical representation for your smart home. Okay, you can turn on your lights like a bathroom light on, living room light on, TV light on. So you can make your smartphone whichever light and fan you want to make on and off, that you people can create. Okay, so if you are interested to use this platform, you can explore yourself with this platform also. That is a remote XY platform. There are actually number of platforms are available. We have to choose which one is a convenient for us. Okay, so this is what remote XY platform. Once how you want to use it and all, it's very easy. Just you people have to click on a sign in, register with your Gmail ID and start working on it. Okay, it's not that difficult. Only the thing is that we need to explore. So within a one day we cannot explore to all platform. In today's session we are going to explore with the Tinkercad platform, and remaining platform we will explore it in the next session. Okay, so I will tell you about the next platform. This is also very interesting and excellent platform. So just have a look. Okay, so those who are very well aware about this IoT and all, it's very good platform for those people. So I suggest you don't put your efforts right now in this platform. Once you will be in the next semester or next year, when you have to do your major projects, or when you have to do IoT based projects, you put your efforts for this platform. It's excellent platform. Here this is only a little bit, I can say, the paid version, but you are having the trial version here. Okay, you can request here for a demo. So how you people can test? Here you are having option that you people can work out with the MQTT and COAP protocols, which are the lightweight protocols used for the Internet of Things applications. Okay, how it work, that I will show you here. So you can see that here you are having a platform that is of a virtual IoT devices. You are having your IoT devices virtually. Here they are ready to solve your request and all. Okay, so virtual IoT devices platform, here we are having the data from the virtual devices will be sensed and then that data, whatever we want to publish that data, after publication, data will be available with us in a CSV file. As MQTT work on the publish and subscribe options, so publish and subscription in responses to your devices, whatever information is present, that will be present in your CSV file. Here you are having a manager applications. Manager applications means whatever data you are having, that will be managed at this manager applications. Whatever applications you are using, different clouds, how data is saved, everything will be present here. And then you are having a platform for the dashboard manager, how your dashboard will look and how you want to represent your data in bar chart and all, everything is shown to you. Okay. So now I think you people come to know about a platform, that is what are the various platform used for IoT simulation, how you can create your templates, how you can save your data, various. I have just listed your platform. Okay, now we are going to start with the things which we are going to use for our today's session, that is nothing but a Tinkercad. So much things is shown here. Okay, for this simulator we need to explore. If you are ready, we will arrange the next session on this above platform. So now we will continue with the things. Along with this, we are having a different applications for your, we can say, the IoT control or the projects. And the widely used application is a Google Assistant. Through Google Assistant is stand for your voice control application, and through Google Assistant you can control your devices. Like I will give the command like switch on fan, switch on light, then we can do. And to have a connection of this Google Assistant, we require the app which is called as a Blink app. Through Blink app itself you can control the devices. You are having the dashboard platform, number of applications are there which you can control by using this Blink applications and all. And the important one is the IFTT, which is going to make applets for you to create or control the things through a Google Assistant. So we can say that to control the devices through a Google Assistant, through Blink app, what we can have intermediately, we need this IFTT. Okay, so all the services we can use and we can do the projects based on it. Suppose I want to control, make a smart home, so I can control the devices by using the Google Assistant and by voice command in all the devices which are connected, that I can control. Okay, so now this is all about the things which we have done in a part 1, that is introduction to a session, that what we can do it in a mini projects and which are the softwares through which we can explore for our mini projects. So in a today's session we are going to explore to a simulator which is called as a Tinkercad platform. Okay, so this is an open source platform and we can build a 3D designs and we can do a circuit designs by using this Tinkercad. And here we are using the block coding, where once you are using a block coding, automatically you are getting a code generated by it. So if you are aware about the Arduino coding, if you have idea about the C coding, it's good. And if you don't have idea about the coding, if you are at a zero level, till that no issue, you will understand everything. Okay, so here we are going to start first with the Ohm's law. Why? Because as when we are talking about electronic components, the heart of electronic components is that how current is flowing, what is meant by current, how we are giving a voltage. So the Ohm's law is playing a very important role, and I think this concept of Ohm's law, we must have studied it in a 7th 8th standard or at least in a 12th standard. Okay, so anybody is knowing this Ohm's law? Put your answer in chat box. Tell me that anybody is knowing Ohm's law. you are not knowing the statement, no issue. What you people can do? Put formula. Anybody is remembering the formula, and I think we are from the HTC background. We should know the Ohm's law. Fast. Student, this is a two-way communication, so please put your answers in a chat box. Very good. Very good. Akash, Nitish. Good. So we are having a formula that is current is equal to voltage divided by resistor, or voltage is equal to current into resistor. Correct answer? Good. So why I have asked this and why where it is required? Very good, Steph. Ohm's law states that the current flowing in a circuit is directly proportional to the applied potential difference and inversely proportional to the resistance in the circuit. Good. So this statement is also applicable when we are designing a circuit. Okay. So now we will proceed further. Why we have used this Ohm's law? What is meant by the current limiting value? Why that resistor should required when you are connecting a LED to your devices and all, everything we are going to see. So stay tuned and watch the things till end. So now what we are going to do? We are moving further with a Tinkercad without making any delay. So for it, what you people have to do, and I hope those who are having a laptop with you people can try with me. If any doubt, you people can ask me, and if you are unable to try, no issue, you just watch a session fully, and if any issue, later on you people can do a practice and ask me a question. So it will be the your choice, whatever convenient to you, do as per it. Okay. So you have to just open a Chrome and you have to type Tinkercad in it. Once you type a Tinkercad in it, if you are a new user, you will click on a join now, and then you have to sign in with your Gmail. Okay. So once you click, then you are getting option start tinkering. So here you are having option that how you want to join. As I am a teacher, I have joined it as an educator. You can start here as a student. Okay, so just click in this box and continue with the things. Then you once you register, you will get option that how you want to sign in. I usually prefer sign in with my Google. Okay. So I login process is complete. You people can do the steps. We are going to follow that steps. So you people continue with that steps. That is just go in a Chrome and type Tinkercad and just do a sign in. Okay. Once that process is completed, the important things required to us, that is Ohm's law, LED in a series and LED in a parallel. So I hope as an electronics engineer we are knowing that when we are connecting a components in a series, how we used to do a connection, and when we are connecting a component in a parallel, how we used to do a connection. Okay. So first of all, the Ohm's law, that is, it states that the voltage across a resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through a resistance. Okay. And name is given by through a German physicist Ohms. So what is the formula? That is current is equal to voltage divided by resistance in ampere. Why I have used this formula for current? Formula for voltage is equal to V into I into R is also correct, but this current value I need to control when I am connecting a LED to your any devices. So current should get limited, and that limiting factor is nothing but a resistor. So value of this resistor is carrying a very much importance for us. That's why I have used the formula I is equal to V by R. Okay. Then we are required the very important devices which are the input and output. So input is what? Input is a signal or information going into a board. The things which is coming inside the board is a input. So what we can give an input? Input will be like your button, light sensors or flex sensors, any sensors that is nothing but your input devices. So buttons, switches, sensors are your input devices. What is your output? Output is any signal existing the board which we are getting from a controller. Things we are getting output of a board, output of a controller are the output devices. What are it? Like LEDs, DC motor, servo motor, piezo buzzer, relay, RGB LED are our output devices. So keep it in mind. What are the input? Where we are seeing output, we are getting some output of your controller or board, that are the output devices. And where we are giving input inside that board, that is nothing but our input devices. So switch, flex sensor, light sensor, temperature sensors are your boards. Okay. So as everybody is very well aware about this component which is called as a light emitting device, LED. So light emitting device, LED, is usually available in number of three main colors like red, yellow, green, and it's having a forward current capacity that is a 20 milliampere. Okay, so this circuit and all everything is known to you, I think. Okay, so calculation of series resistance value, how we are going to calculate series resistance value and all. So here we are having the formula which we are going to use. Resistance is equal to, suppose we are having a 2 LED, so V1 minus V2 upon I. So V1 is what we are having, power supply voltage, what we are giving like a 5 volt, and then V2 is LED voltage which usually we consider 3.3 volt, and the current which is a limb standard current which we are considering, that is a 20 milliampere. And by this formula you are getting the value of resistor which we should connect here. So suppose we are having 3 LEDs, then what we are going to do, we are going to add the voltages across this LED, then 12 minus that voltage divided by the current, that is a 20 milliampere. Okay. Similarly for the parallel combinations we are having the formula. So what we are having to find out the value which we can use. So resistance is equal to V1 minus V2 divided by K into I, where V1 is the power supply voltage, V2 is the LED voltage, and I is the current. Now K is what? Number of LEDs are available in a parallel. So number of LEDs are available in a parallel is nothing but a K. So 12 volt, that is input voltage, minus LED voltage is a 3.36 volt, divided by number of LEDs are 3 into a current 30 milliampere. So is the LED current is a 20 milliampere or 30 milliampere? It will be given in a data sheets. Okay, and then you will get a value of resistor, that is 100 ohm, and you are going to connect your resistors in a parallel like this. Okay, so you are connecting your resistor of 100 ohm like this. So this is a connection for connecting your LED in a parallel. So I hope all things related to basic concept of we can say the electronic components are clear to you. Now we will move further for the Tinkercad application. So we are going to start with the basic applications. For it, now what is the next step? We are just opening a Chrome application, and here you people are going to type Tinkercad. Okay. So as I am already signed in with my Gmail, so here I will use the Gmail option, and it will open my Autodesk automatically, because for live stream I have already opened my Gmail. So I hope steps are clear to all. How to do sign in, let me know. Otherwise I will show sign in with some another mail. So put your answers in a chat box, that are you clear with the steps how to sign in for a Tinkercad. Let me give me a confirmation first about this, then I will continue. Put in a chat box. Okay, so it's clear. So what we will do, we will proceed. So now you are at a platform, that is a dashboard, 3D design. So on a Tinkercad platform, what you people are having? You people are having a three options, that is a 3D design, circuit design and code block. By using a 3D design, you can design applications like a 3D applications like this. Okay. By code block, you can design the applications related with a code block. Different code applications you people can develop. Our target is to work on a circuit, being electronics engineer. So we will just click on a circuit. Once you click on a circuit, whatever circuits previously you people have designed will be available with you. Okay. Whatever design circuits you will design, it will be with you people. Now we are going to design a new circuit. So to create a new circuit, what you people have to do, we have to click on a create a new circuit. Once you click on a create a new circuit, you will be at your interface of Tinkercad application. So I will first explore you people that how, what is this platform and how we people can continue with the things. So here you people can see that here you people can name to your circuits. Okay, suppose I am connecting here LED and battery. First, LED and battery. So you people have to give name to your new projects here, LED and battery. If you are not naming, then automatically it will be saved by any random name. Okay, then whatever applications you want to do, if you want to delete, then delete application, then previous, back, undo, then preview the things. We are having options. So main things we are having here, this is the code block. Once code is ready, then click on start simulator. So first I will explore you what are the components available with us. Okay, so here what we are going to do, I am going to click on the all components. Then in electronics, the components which are coming under the general category, that are resistor, capacitor, polarized capacitor, diode, Zener diode and inductor. This is under the general category. Then the components coming under the input devices. So what are the input devices which we have seen just now? That is switches, sensors, so push button, potentiometers, light switch, photoresistor, photodiode, ambient light sensor, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor with a 3 pin, ultrasonic sensor with a 4 pin, then PIR sensor, tilt sensor with a 4 pin, temperature sensor, gas sensor, then keypad, DIP switch. Okay, all those are the things which are available to give you input. So based on these input devices, you can do your project. So based on this, we can say the things available, we can identify our problem statement. Then we are having output devices. What are the output devices? Output components: LED, then RGB LED, light bulb, NeoPixel, then neo jewel pixels. These are the different way to represent your light and all. So neo pixels we are having, we can see it in a different size and different shapes. We are having circular and all. Then DC motor with encoder, micro servo motor, then IR with remote, piezo, 7 segment display, 16 by 2 LCD display. Okay, these are the output devices. Suppose you want to display the temperature, whatever coming on your LCD display, or you want to welcome board at your home, that welcome for the birthday party. So that you want to put whatever things you want to display, that you can display here. Or you want to display the temperature and humidity on display, that you people can do. Then power we are having 9 volt, 1.5 volt, coin battery, potato battery. Okay, this you people can try. New innovative things you are having, you people can try. Then I think breadboards are very well known to you people. So breadboard, small breadboard, mini breadboard. And the main things you are having here, that is a heart of circuit, that is Arduino Uno board and Atini microcontroller. As you people are knowing that price of this Arduino Uno board is near about 350 or 400, and price of this Atini microcontroller is only 80 rupees. So if you want to design a circuit that is what cost effective circuit, cost effective model you want to design, so you people can see that where is a 450 and where is a 80 rupees. So similar things whatever you are designing by using the Arduino, you can design by using Atini microcontroller also. Okay. Then you are having for observations multimeter, power supply, function generator, DSO, then integrated circuit, IC555U and all LM35U. So all these if you required you people can use. So just go through the content. 3.3 power supply, then cable, logic design IC. You must be remembering the IC like AND gate IC or gate IC. All those ICs are available here. Clear? So these are all the components which are available in Tinkercad application. So as per it, you people have to decide whatever you required in your applications. Clear? So now what we are going to do? Can we save this video? Yes, Nikita, you can. This video will be with you people, and anytime at any time you people can watch. No issue at all. Okay. You people can subscribe to channel as Anupama ma'am said, and whatever the updation and all will come, you people can watch it. Clear? So now what we will do? We will continue with the things. So now we will are aware about a dashboard interface with us. Now we will start the things. So what we want to do first? First we want to blink this LED. Okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to connect LED directly to a power supply, and then what will happen, your LED will get blast. So here the term which we have seen, what is meant by the current limiting, why Ohms law required, and why that resistor should present there to provide a sufficient amount of current to a LED. Okay, so what are the required component for us? Just we need a battery. We will take a battery, then we will take LED. So no need to search, you just type LED, it will come. So LED, okay. So now what we will do, to do a connection, just only you have to connect 2 points. So when you click here, you are getting the anode, cathode terminal and anode terminal. So what you have to do, anode you are going to connect to a positive. What I did, just click here and do the connection between the 2 points. Okay, now you can see here green wire. What you want to do, you usually know that positive is shown by red wire. So just click on that wire and click here on a color. So I am making it red, so it become a red color. Now just click on cathode, click here, and then I am connecting it here negative. Okay, so just double click, it will get done. Then click on the wire and I will make its color black. Done. So our LED is connected. Once your LED is connected, connection is done. Click on a button here, start simulation. So once you click on a start simulation, you people can see that LED has been blast. Why? You can click here. The current through the LED is 915 milliampere, while maximum allowed current is at 20 milliampere. Allowed current is at 20 milliampere for this LED, and how much current is going? 915. So how we can do this? Anybody can give a solution? Put your answer in a chat box. Here the Ohms law is applicable. So what we need to do? Which component we should search here? That one is a resistor. So this resistor we are taking and connecting here. Once we connect here resistor, click on a resistor and you have to choose a value of this resistor. Suppose I am making here 350 ohm. Okay, how to make a fixed value? That formula is given to you. Okay, so choose a value, choose a unit, then take wire and connect it here. Done. And then start simulation. So now your LED is it in a proper condition, it's glowing properly. Are you able to see properly how it is glowing? Okay, perfect. So shall we continue with the next? So you come to know that how we can connect a resistor and LED with a battery. Okay, so now this is done. Now what we are going to do, I want to control the LED with a switch. Okay, so here we are just seeing a basic connection, how we are connecting electronic components to each other. If you understand this concept, then you easily understand the connection with Arduino and all. So without programming and with programming, how we can do that we are seeing. So only 2 to 3 circuits we are going to see without Arduino, and then next we are going to continue with Arduino. So next we are going to do a connection. So just have a look on a connection first. What we are having, we are going to use LED and switch which we are going to connect with our battery. So how we have connected, just have a look. Battery is here, LED with resistor is already there. We are connecting it to one point, and that positive point we are connecting to anode, and the negative point we are connecting directly to a negative, and cathode of a switch we are connecting to a battery. Clear connection? So now we are going to do a same connection. So for it, what I will do, I will remove this, I will not remove, I will just remove this wire, and this wire no need to remove, but till for your understanding I am removing. Okay, so now what we want a slide switch. You can use a simple switch also, no issue at all. Whatever switch you want, that you can use. You have to explore a lot to this. You need to explore. Okay, you should know the name, then it will be the easy for you people. That is a slide switch. So how we have to do connection? Anode we are going to connect this positive terminal. This positive terminal we are going to connect to the positive point, and this one is cathode. This cathode we are connecting it to a negative. Then done connection. Okay, what we have done, cathode we have connected to a negative. Then our resistor we have connected here. Okay, so now click on start simulation. Once you click on a start simulation, click on this slide switch. Once I click on a slide switch, what we can see, LED is on. Once we are making it off, LED is off. Okay, done. Okay, so yes, rotation of components and all is possible with us, no issue. Here you are having option to rotate your components, whatever components you want to rotate, that your components you people can rotate. Okay, rotation facility is there. You can change a position, drag and drop only, just whatever component you want to change, that you people can drag and drop. Okay, so the which device we want to rotate, any device we can rotate. So this is clear, I think. Suppose you want to rotate battery, this is rotated. Again you want to rotate, as per it you people can carry out. If you want to do undo, then you people can click on undo option. Okay, suppose you want to rotate this register, you can rotate. So 360 degree you people can rotate. Clear how we have to rotate? Done. So now I will connect it once again. I think it's clear to Anupama ma'am how to rotate components. I think screen is properly visible and rotation of components are clear. Okay, so we will proceed further. So as you know that here, once you start simulation, by pressing a switch you can change, make your LED on and off. Okay, so now next we will see that by having the Arjuna, we can say the LDR. So as per the intensity of the light, how your motor will rotate. Okay, so as you know that in third year you people are having options that you can use Arduino board, you people are knowing about microcontroller and all. But suppose somebody is telling you that do mini project in a second year, then how we will do? How we can have the operations, that automatic straight light control and all. So that also we can do here by using the things which are available with us. So here we can do using a battery, LDR and our motor. Okay, so connection I will explain you and then we will continue. So battery is with you, LDR is with you, and then this motor is with you. Okay, so what we have done, connections are very simple. That positive we are connecting to one pin of your LDR, then next we are connecting to positive of your battery, and negative point we are connecting to a negative of battery. Simple. What components we required? We required battery, LDR and motor. Okay, these three components we people will take and we will do the connection. Good. So what we will do? I think circuit requirement is clear to you. So if you want to save, we will save this circuit and we will proceed with a new circuit, because you people should know that if you have to do a new project, what you will do. So for it, just go back by one step only. Okay. The previous circuit is saved with us, that you will see on a screen. Now you people can see that LED and battery circuit is saved with us. So just go and click here on create a new circuit. Okay. Now at the start I have given name first. Now I am not giving a name first. You can see the random name has been chosen. So first I will build a circuit and then I will give a name. So how to give name, that you people come to know here. So what we are going to do, we will take battery. Name is given here is a photo register. So if you search by LDR, it will be the difficult to get you, but by looking at it you people can identify. So this is a photo register. Then we will take a DC motor. Okay, so connection is very well known to you people. That is, this is a terminal 2. Red is showing it's positive. We are connecting it here. Okay, positive terminal and negative. If you feel, you can keep this battery standing also. As per your convenient, you people can keep. If you want to make it zoom, you have to press on a button this zoom. So your circuit will become zoom. Now you just click on a start simulation. Once you click on start simulation, your DC motor started rotating. Now I will change the light intensity. So by changing the light intensity, you can see that speed of motor is increasing. Okay, you can note a speed. Now it's a 1041 RPM. Maximum speed you can give, that is this. It's at maximum high intensity. So 1973 RPM you are having. So you can control the devices based on the light intensity. Okay, so based on the light, based on the humidity, if you want to control your fan and all that devices, you can control here. Okay, so by this light intensity, if you want to make your light on and all, that you people can do. So instead of this motor, what will you people will do, you will connect simple LED. So based on the light intensity, light will become on and off. So these are the projects which we have done without Arduino. Clear? I hope the things are clear to you people. You can see that here we are able to change the intensity of photoresistor. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you people. Now how you people are going to name this? Just click here and photoregister. Simply we can write LDR also. But remember the word photoregister for here and DC motor. Okay, and just press enter. So name will get saved. Now suppose you want to export this circuit, if you want to use this circuit in your project and all, so no need to copy a circuit of somebody else. किसी और का circuit copy नहीं करना है आपको. You use your circuit. So just click here on export. Suppose this assignment is given by teacher to you. I am going to give assignment to you. So what you people are going to do? I will verify is it correct or not, or have you copied the somebody else content. For it, what you are going to do? You are just going to share link with me. So just click on share here. Once you click on share, click on invite people. Once you click, copy this link with me. Copy this link and share this link with me. So I will able to check your circuit. Okay, I will able to thinker your circuit. I will check is it correct or not. So if you are facing any issue, you can share with your teacher. Now you want to export. So for it, just click here with this and the circuit diagram will be with you. Okay, so you will able to open this circuit diagram. So it should have a supporting file. So we need it for the this, but Arduino code and all that we will able to download. So that we will see. So now this is clear to you people. I think that is how we can use the component without Arduino. Okay. So now we are moving further for the part 2, that is Arduino projects. Now how we can do Arduino projects. For it, first project we will see that how we will blink the LED. Okay, so as right now everybody come to know that why we have to connect register to LED, how it will control the current as a current limiting factor for LED. So the connections are very simple. This is Arduino board in front of you. I think everybody is very well aware about the Arduino board. If not, no issue. I will just give an introduction to you people about the Arduino board and then we will proceed further. Okay. So this is a board which is in front of you. It's called as the Arduino Uno board, and for this Arduino Uno board we need a software which is called as the Arduino IDE, which is the integrated development environment. And on this board here power supply is already present in a simulator, but if you are working on hardware projects we should require the cable, which we are going to connect USB point with our laptop and another point with our Arduino Uno board, which is called as a A to B cable. Okay. On this board we are having a microcontroller. That microcontroller is called as a Atmega 328 microcontroller. This Atmega 328 microcontroller is used to do a connections, or we can say it's acting like a heart of your Arduino board, which is going to control everything. Programming and all, everything is done in this Atmega 328 board, which is having the inbuilt RAM and ROM capacity. Now here we are having power pin. Power pin is a 5 volt, then 3.3 volt, 2 ground pin and 1 V in pin. And we are having the 6 analog pin, that is A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. 6 analog pin and 14 digital pin. Note down this number of pin and answer in your notebook, because as I told you that you people have to appear for a quiz. Okay, the questions will be based on it. You people have to appear for a quiz, and those who will pass with a 40%, those people will get a certificate, and certificate is essential for a submission of your mini project and MPI lab. Not only MPI lab, those who are handling a mini projects, giving you a mini project, certificates will be required for this workshop. So those who are not attending a session, tell your friends to attend a session, so that they will come to know that how to work out with the things. Then what we are having, digital pin, that are the 14 digital pin, 2 pin, one is a transmitter pin, another one is a receiver pin. Okay, then you can see one Tinda symbol here. That symbol pin are called as a PWM pin. By default, pin number 13 is called as a inbuilt LED pin, and this one is a ground pin. Okay, so I think now you people get explored with Arduino board. Okay, if you are new to Arduino, you got a sufficient information about Arduino board. Now what we people are going to do? We are going to do this connection. Okay, so for this connection, what we have to do? So we will proceed with a new circuit. We will go back. Create new circuit. Okay, so what we need to choose? Arduino board. Just pick and drop. Okay, kuch nahi karna hai. If you want to rotate, you can rotate, but I don't want to rotate, so I am keeping this. So now if you want to work with a breadboard, you can do working with a breadboard, as it's a very simple circuit, so no need of breadboard. So I will just take LED directly. Then what we need? Register. Done. So once you click on this probe, you can see a cathode. Connect cathode here to ground. Now we have to connect anode to a resistor. Value of resistor, how much we should keep? I am writing here 250 ohm unit. Okay, then connect. Default pin is pin number 13. Okay, we are connecting it to pin number 13. Done. So now if you want, make it red, make it black. Done. Connection is done. Now you have to proceed with the coding. Now excellent part of this is that, as you know that you people are having a two options. One, you can write your code if you are knowing Arduino coding, and if you are very new to this platform and you don't know anything about this Arduino and in coding, then we will prefer to go through a block coding. Okay, so for doing this code through a block coding, what we are going to do, just click here on a code, and here you are getting options. What you want to do? You want to code with a block, or you want to code with a block and text, or you want to code with a text. So I am preferring option that is a block plus text. Okay, what is the meaning of this block plus text? It means that what we are having, we are taking these blocks and displaying a code. This is a default code coming with us. So when I delete it, nothing is present on the screen. In Arduino IDE, two functions are there which are called as a void setup and void loop. When we are using this void setup, when we want to declare any variable, when we want to make any pin in or any pin out, at that time we are going to use this void setup option. Where we are going to use this loop option when we want to continue anything repeatedly. Suppose I want to make LED on for 1 minute, 2 minute, 1 millisecond, 2 millisecond, for 1 second, 2 seconds, some operation I want to continue, that will come in this loop. Okay, so here I am not writing any code. I am going to do code with a block coding. Okay, so for this block coding, what you are having options, that is output. What are the present in output option? Set LED built in to high, set pin this to high, set this pins to 0 and low. So different options you are having here. Okay, in output like RGB LED, print to serial monitor, turn off speaker, play speaker, these are the related with output. Then related with input. What I want to do, I want to read the digital pin, I want to read the analog pin, I want to read the degrees of servo motor, I want to read a serial characters, all those options. I want to read the temperature through A0 pin, all those are the options for input. Then what we are having? Control. I want to write some control statements. For it you are having a control option. Related with a math operation, whatever operation you want to do, so you are having this options. Every options we are going to do. Okay, we are going to explore all the option. Suppose I want to create a variable, then I am using this variable option. So now my program is very simple. What is my job? I just want to blink LED. What we want to do? We just want to blink LED. Okay, so we have connected LED to pin number 13, which is the built-in LED. In second option, instead of pin number 13, we will connect LED to another pin and then also we will check. Okay, for it what we have to do? It's very simple. What we have to do? We are just taking a pin number 13, which we will make it high, then we will wait for some period of time, and then again that pin we are going to make it low and we will wait for some period of time. Getting what we are going to do? We are going to set pin number 13 to high, then we will wait for some period of time like a 6 second, then we are making pin number 13 low and we will wait for some period of time. Okay, how we are going to do? It's very simple. Now as I told you that this is my pin number 13 is a built-in LED. So what I am writing? Set built-in LED. So when I have taken set built-in LED, it's automatically make pin number 13 output and pin number 13 high it has taken. Why? Because high it is written. So instead of high, if suppose I am writing a low, you can see that here in a code it's changing to a low. So first I am making it high, then I want to wait for some period of time. So to wait for some period of time, we are having in a control option wait duration. Okay, the timing is in a second and millisecond. So I am making it 6 second. Wait for a 6 second. Then what I want to do? Same circuit I want to repeat. So I have done duplicate the circuits. So LED I want to make on for a 6 second and LED I want to make off for a 6 second. 6 second means 6000 millisecond. So see, in code, this is a code which you people can run on hardware and it will work. Okay, so void setup pin number 13 is initialized as output pin, then digital write pin number 13 high for a 6 second, pin number 13 is low for a 6 second. Is it clear with you people? Take a screenshot of this slide with you people, so that whenever you write a code it will be easy for you people to work out. Now what I am going to do? I am going to simulate this code. So if anyone is having doubt how to select a block, you people can ask your questions. So start simulation. I will just open this glow. So you can say that your LED is on for a 6 second and off for a 6 second. Is it noticeable to you? Check out. Is on for a 6 second and off. Is it clear? Shall we continue? Now you can change color of your LED also. Just click on LED and change color. Suppose you want orange color. Start simulation. So you can see the change in a color. Okay. Now what we will do? I will change the pin number. So instead of 13, I am changing the pin number 10. Done. What I done? I have done the pin number, changed the pin number. Now pin number 10. So for this pin number 10, just go in a code. Now what we have to do? This block we don't want. So just delete. What we want now in output? In output, I want to set pin number here. Which pin number we have connected? Pin number 10. So take pin number 10. Set pin number 10 high. You want control? Wait for 3 सेकंड कर देते हैं. Wait for 3 seconds. Duplicate and paste. Low for 3 seconds. You can see that earlier it was pin number 13. Now pin number 10. Pin number 10 high for 3 seconds means 1000 millisecond and pin number 10 low for 1000 millisecond. Done. So we will run this. It's quite very easy. Then you people can see that LED is blinking for a 3 millisecond on and 3 second on and 3 second off. Okay. So you people, duration is noticeable to you, on and off duration. So now if I want to change a color of LED again, so I'm just clicking here and which is your favorite color? Shall I make blue? Okay, so run. So you people come to know that suppose you have to set a traffic light project अगर आपको करना है. So what you will do? You will use the 3 color LEDs and you can work out with a traffic light project. Okay. So if any doubt till now, ask. Otherwise we will continue with the next. You are free to put your doubt in a chat box. Now we are continue with the next, that is we are going to use so you are free to put your doubts or any issue in chat box and tell other students to join. And if no doubts, then we will continue. So if no doubts, then put a no in chat box so that I will continue with the next. So what we will do, we are having the LED on and off using a switch. So what we are going to do in a next circuit, that is how we can make LED on and off using a switch. Okay. So how we can make it on and off? So as the LED connection is known to you people, that what I have did, I have connected here LED. Okay, here it is connected to pin number 12. We have connected already to pin number 10. Till now connection is everything one is clear. How to connect LED? Now point is coming about a switch. So here we are using this press button switch. So to connect this press button switch, switch is what? Switch is the input, we can say the component. So one pin we are connecting it to any digital input like pin number 5, pin number 4, 3, you people can connect. Okay. Once you connected here LED switch input, then one point we have to give it to ground through a register and another point we are connecting it to a VCC. This is what, if you want to know more about a switch, then we can do a Google for a switch, that how connected it is. So these 2 points, top and bottom, are connected with each other. These 2 points are connected with each other. So we are connecting it to a input pin and to a ground through a register, and here we are giving a power supply, that is a 5 volt. So I think connection is clear to you. Anand, okay, purple color we will connect in a next project. Okay, we will connect purple color. So now what we will do, we will continue with connection of LED and switch. I think connection is clear to everyone. So stop simulation. Anand want purple color. We don't have purple color. Green, yellow, orange, blue, red. So white we will connect. Okay, now we have to take switch. It is called as a push button. Okay, this is your push button. Now we will give input to pin number 5. Any pin you can give input. Okay, no issue at all. Done. Now we need register, and this point we are going to connect it to VCC 5 volt. Done. Anyone is having doubt in connection? Now we are moving for code. So just have a look at a code. What we are going to do now? Now little bit to a complicated part we are moving. Now we are going to use a control statement, that is, if this pin is high or this pin is 0, then make LED on. If this button is not pressed, then make LED off. This situation we are going to use. Okay, so it's not little bit that much stuff. What you people have to do, just have in mind what I have to do if my button is pressed or unpressed. As per it, my LED is on and LED is off. So from where we are taking input? We are taking input from digital pin. Which pin we are reading? We are reading data from pin number 5. Okay. So for it, we are going to use the statement, that is a if else. So for it, just go in a code. In code, we are going to delete this first. So everything is deleted. Now what we want? If else in control statement, where you will get this? You will get this statement in a control option. So what we are going to take, that is if else. When we have taken this if else block, you can see a change in a code. Okay. Now after that, what we are having, we want a condition. For this condition, we are having this conditional block in a math option. So go in a math option and check this condition block. You can see the shape. Earlier I have taken this round shape, but how round shape will fit here? It will not fit here. So what I did, I have taken this shape. Okay, now what we are having, we need a input here. Which input I want to take? I want to take input from the pin number 5, that is a digital input. So for it I will go here and read the input from the digital pin. So I have kept a block here. Which pin? Pin number 5. जो भी pin है you people can put here, no issue at all. Now I want to choose a button equal to, either button will be 1 or button will be 0. So suppose I am making it 1. Okay, I am making it pressed and unpressed. Okay, so if we are pressing or unpressing, so suppose when it is 0, I want to make LED high. So where is my LED is connected? LED is connected to pin number 10, I think. So I am connecting it to high, and otherwise the LED will be off. So I am duplicating this block and keeping it here. It will be low. Done? Anyone is having doubt in this coding? So what we have done? We have taken first the statement from the control if else, then from mass conditional statement, then taken input from the input, then pin number 5 equal to 0, then set pin high, set pin low. अगर गलती से आपने दूसरा पिन नंबर भी लिखा होगा, no issue at all, you can come back and do the correction, कुछ problem नहीं होता है. So we will just click here. Okay, so you can see LED get on when we make 0, and when I am pressing it become off. So if you want a reverse situation, I am changing LED, white color is not properly visible, so I will use red color only. So you can see LED is on. Okay, so automatically it's at 0, so LED is on, and when we are pressing a button, LED is off. Now we want a reverse situation. When I press button, then LED should get on, and when I leave, LED should get off. For it, what we need to do, we will just click on stop simulation, go in a coding, and just change this situation. Here make it 1. Done, simple, just make it 1 and click on start simulation and come here. Now press a button. So your LED is on, when you leave, it will become off. When you press, it will become on. When you leave, it will become off. So it depends on your situation. अगर आपको, if you want manually control for more on time, more off time, when whatever you want. If you want more time on, and whenever you want to press, then only it should get off. So you will reverse the situation. Is it clear with this connection? That how we can continue with the press button? If anyone is having doubt, ask in a chat box. Otherwise, we will continue with the next. Coding is clear, block coding. Now we will move with the sensor project. If it is clear, give me your confirmation. Participants, Suraj, Vidisha, Snehal, Shubham. Shall we continue with the next? With the sensor projects, I think basic idea how to use Arduino, how to do a block coding is clear to all of you. Yes, am I audible properly, Jitesh? Okay. So shall we continue with the sensor projects for which you are waiting a lot? So I think basic connections is clear, and if you have any doubt, you people can post your doubt how to do a connections and programming. So whenever we are doing a block coding, you people can have a look and take a screenshot. Now we are continuing with this coding part is clear to you. So we will continue with the next coding. That is, suppose we want to use LDR, and with the reflection of our light, how we can continue with the things. So it's very simple, that I will just explain you a connection, and then we will go with the sensor project directly. Okay, so this you can do very easily. I can consider this, I will assign you a task. Only the thing is that what you people have to do, look at a connection and take a screenshot, which will be the very useful to you people. What you people have to do, we are controlling, we have done this with a battery. Similarly, this here we are going to do with a programming. So LDR is an analog device. So somebody want to work out an automatic traffic light and all, those people can have idea with LDR projects. Okay, so here we are using LDR and here we are using LED to control. Instead of LED, you can use output device as a speaker also. And what you people have to do a connections, connect it to ground and connect it to a register, and LED you are connecting in a visual way. If you don't like to do connection with a battery, आप directly यहाँ पे LED with register and LDR like a switch ले सकते हो, no issue at all. Connections एकदम simple है. What we have done here, we have connected LDR through register to ground and another terminal to a positive, nothing else, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं किया. But one input of LDR, we have given it to a A0 pin. Why? Because LDR is giving you analog data. Continuous information आपको मिल रही है light intensity की. We have given it to a A0 input. Remaining LED connection and buzzer connection is same like any other output devices. Okay. कोड एकदम सिंपल है. जो आपने इसके पहले if else ब्लॉक लिया है, take that if else block. Okay. Then take another conditional block. Once you took another conditional block, take input from A0. There we have taken an input from the digital pin number 5. Instead of digital pin number 5, take input from the A0 pin, that is the analog pin. Condition will be the not equal to 1. Then it will be the high, else it will be the low. Bas. This code you people can try to run at your end. LDR is given as a task for you people. Code and everything is shared with you. Okay, so now we are working with our projects, for which you people can do your projects best on it like this. So as we know that this COVID-19 situation is a very pandemic situation for everyone, and so many projects we can design for the application of it. So 2 to 3 projects we are going to discuss in a today's session. So first project we are going to discuss, that is design of touchless doorbell. What I am going to design? I am going to design a touchless doorbell where if suppose someone is coming in front of door at my home, no need to press on a doorbell, automatically doorbell will ring. Okay, so this connection I want to do, so that no need of sanitizer, no need that anyone will ring bell, then someone else will come, that person will touch to a doorbell, then milk person will come, then newspaper person will come, then some delivery boy will come, nobody will press my doorbell. Okay, once they come and stand in front of my door, my doorbell will ring automatically. So this is called as a design of a project for a touchless doorbell. Okay, so to design this project, that is touchless doorbell, what I required? I required components are Arduino with PIR sensor and then buzzer. By using this, I can do my project. So it's quite easy and simple, correct? Is it interesting? Good. Anupama ma'am like the concept. So we will continue with this, and similar sort of ideas you people can implement in your mini project. Like next mini project we will discuss, which will be the social distance keeper. Okay, so somebody, if suppose crossing a distance, as we know that as per our honorable prime minister, we should maintain a social distance for our safety and all. So 2 feet ki duri which we should maintain. For it, what we are doing, if suppose someone is crossing that social distance limit, okay, so buzzer will ring, and as we know, you know that with the sound of buzzer everyone will get alert that yes, he is crossing his distance limit. Okay, so that projects also we will design. Okay, so now we will continue with the first project, that is design of project by using a Arduino PIR sensor and buzzer, that is a touchless doorbell. Clear? इट्स वेरी सिंपल है, जैसे अब हम लोगों ने अभी तक किया. इट्स क्वाइट दैट मच सिंपल. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज टेलिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, डोंट टेक टेंशन ऑफ अ ग्रुप मेकिंग. शैल आई मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 4 people or shall I make a group of 2 people? Here you will become that much confident that everybody will say कि मैम we will do a project individually. No issue at all. हो जाएगा. So just have a look and watch the thing till end so that you will understand everything. Yeah, you people can do same thing for light. Okay, instead of buzzer, you people can have a light. So if you are standing in front of your door, automatically light will get on and all. It will be your choice which components you are putting here, nothing else. That is just at us what we are doing. Only the thing is that what we are doing here, if you are interested to control the AC component, then we have to use relay and all in real life application. So if you are interested in that work, what we will do, we will schedule the next session for you people where I will explain you a connection, that how you can have a real life connection of your relay with light with your we can say the devices like Arduino board or Node MCU board, and how you can control your devices through Google Assistant also. That I will teach you. If you are interested, the video on the same thing is available on channel also, but if you required, we can keep a live session for you people. So I think now connection is very clear to you people. Now you become a smart for doing a connection. So I will just explain it once. Now no need of more explanation. So just have a look Arduino board in front of you. So just go and pick the Arduino board, then pick the PIR sensor and then pick the buzzer. वहाँ पे if you type a buzzer it will not come. It's called a piezoelectric. So if you write a piezo it will come. Now here piezo is having a polarity. Okay, so positive you have to connect to any pin like pin number 9, 10, 11, and negative you have to connect it to ground. Then this PIR is also having a pins. So mainly VCC pin you are going to connect to 5 volt, ground pin you are going to connect to ground, and whatever input pin we are having, that we are going to give to any digital input. Clear? Connection is quite very simple. No need to worry about connection. So first we will do connection. एक बार समझ में आ गया, so we can do it very easily. So now what I am doing, इसको नाम दे देते हैं LED with switch. LED नाम give as per your convenience so that you will remember the circuit. उसको देख के आपको याद आना चाहिए कि what is this. LED control with switch. This I am giving. It means that I come to know I am controlling LED with switch. LED control with switch. And then press enter. So I have not press enter when it was inside a block. LED control. Done. So now name is given to you. We will stop a simulation, and if you want code for this, what you people are going to do for this, its code, we are just going to export. Okay, we are getting here bird application. We should get INO for coding. So this it has exported a diagram. So code. Then click on a code. Okay, click on a code and click on a download option. Now you are getting INO code. This INO code you can run it in your hardware. If you are having Arduino with us, then you can run it in your hardware. Okay. So now what we will do, same circuit we can share. So we will just click on share, and this link I will share with you people. Copy link, copy link. Then this is our group. Okay, you people can tinker it. So done. Now export. I don't want to export this diagram. This is with you. Later on I will share this with you people. Now what we are going to do next, that is our project touchless doorbell. So go back by one step. Then create new circuit. Okay, so now I will give here name TOUCHLESS, touchless doorbell. If any idea coming in your mind, you people can share with others in a chat box so that everybody can work out on a solution. Touchless doorbell. What are your requirement? Arduino board. Anyone can tell what is required next? Put your answer in chat box. I am taking it little bit down because upside area I required later on. Okay. PIR is taken. Arduino Uno is taken. What is next? Anyone? Piezo. बजर. अगर वो सर्च करके नहीं मिला तो डायग्राम हमको पता है. क्या नाम है? PIZO, piezo. Done, simple. If you want to use along with LED and all, you people can use. Okay. Now you can see that it's having a positive. So I am connecting it to pin number 9 positive. Negative, I am connecting it to ground. Simple. Once you click your arrow of mouse, you can see the terminal and all. So it's not difficult to learn and all. Now this is a signal. Signal means we have to give it to input pin. So I am giving it to pin number 5. It's not fixed, you have to give it 5. You can give it to 3, 4. Digital input आपको देना है. PIR is a digital. Power. Power means where I will connect ground or VCC. Power where I will connect ground or VCC. Simple. आप बोलेंगे मैम आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हो. अब हम बड़े हो गए. करेक्ट. आप कहाँ कनेक्ट करोगे? 5 वोल्ट. ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड किधर कनेक्ट करेंगे? ग्राउंड. So no need to remember connection also. कितना easy है ना. बस थोड़ा सा effort लेना है. It's very easy. Correct. So if you want to work it with a breadboard and all, you can keep a breadboard and you can do a connections. Okay. आप लोग थोड़ा अच्छे से sophisticated बनाओगे जब आप आपका circuit बनाओगे. So what I did, I have connected ground. एक बार चेक कर लेते ग्राउंड, देन पावर एंड देन VCC. इनपुट कहाँ दिया है? पिन नंबर 5 पे एंड आउटपुट आई हैव टेकन ऑन पिन नंबर 10. This we have to remember when we are doing a coding where we have taken input. Simple. Connection is done. Anybody is having doubt with the connection? Ask me. If no doubt, then we are proceeding with the code. Okay, code is very simple. कुछ नहीं करना है हमें. We have to just take a input and display the output. Okay. So you must be remembering first block. By looking at this only you come to know control. In control if else, then mathematics condition statement, and then which input you are reading and where you are connected output. Okay. So you people are just going to tell me the connection from your end only. It's very simple. Okay. And then you people will do the things. So what we will do, wait, code. Okay. ये जो previous code है इसको हम डाल देते हैं डस्टबिन में. अभी कभी कभी डायरेक्ट डिलीट नहीं हो रहा है तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन राइट बटन. इसको थोड़ा साइड में कर लेते हैं. Done. So now go in a control. In control, if and else. In control, if and else. Okay. In control, if and else. Then anybody can tell me? क्या करना होगा, क्या करना होगा, बोलो। कहा गए मैथ्स सेकंड ब्लॉक, कंडीशनल ब्लॉक, शेप से ही समझ में आ जाएगा, कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just go in a mass and choose a second block. You can come to know that hexagonal shape. Correct? अभी इनपुट कहाँ पे आ रहा है? Input is coming on pin number 5. Digital है. Just go in input. Then digital input. If it is analog input, like which sensor we have used earlier? LDR. It was analog. So A0 we have taken. So we will take this. अगर हम temperature use कर रहे तो we will use analog. Now we are using PIR, digital. So what we are doing? Which pin number? 5. Done. Clear with this? Now क्या करना है? If this situation is satisfied, if somebody is standing in front of door, okay, if you want to make equal, that option also we can try, okay, or it will be within the coverage, that option also we can try. Both we will verify, don't worry. Then output में क्या करना है? अभी देखो, अभी हमें अगर if he is there, play the speaker. अभी स्पीकर कौन से पिन पे प्रेजेंट है? पिन नंबर 10. So pin number 10. Here you are having option for a frequency. If you are very well fond of about sound and all, then you must be knowing the frequencies used for the specific thing like a sa re ga ma. आप म्यूजिक के हिसाब से जाना चाहते हो तो you can put. I am putting, ठीक है, 45. I don't know much more about this music and all, but it's on Google, it's available. Okay, you can make your digital piano also, so that you can do, you can make a various sounds and all. So now what I want to do, where is option? Turn off the speaker. Turn off this speaker. Speaker को off करना है. Done. Turn off this speaker. So done from my end. If you would like to give some suggestion, you can give. So click on pair. Now you are not able to hear. Wait. आप लोगों को सुनाने के लिए, अरे able to hear? Yes, we are going through live through OBS. Mostly you are able to hear. Tell me that, are you able to hear? Now suppose you are standing in front of my door. अगर आप खड़े हो, you are in my coverage, then my doorbell will ring. Very good, you are able to hear. It means that you are standing in front of my door. Okay. इसको हमें बंद करना है. कंडीशन चेंज किया. So if somebody will come within our coverage, our doorbell will ring. आवाज चेंज करना है. स्टॉप सिमुलेशन करना है. थोड़ा गूगल सर्च करोगे तो आपको अलग म्यूजिक का भी पता चल जाएगा. अलग आ रही है ना आवाज? इट साउंड डिफरेंट. अभी अच्छी है अनुपमा मैम आवाज? आकाश, साउंड डिफरेंट, वो थोड़ा आपको सर्च करना पड़ेगा कौन सा साउंड आपको पसंद है. I did it but now I forget the sound. ये अच्छा है, 60 वाला अच्छा है. This is my favorite. This is my favorite sound. डोरबेल जैसा लग रहा है. बस बहुत हो गया, आ गए लोग, बहुत लोग आ गए. सो अभी हम क्या करते हैं, Shall we proceed next? किसी को कोडिंग में डाउट है? इजी है ना? कितने लाइन की कोडिंग की हमने? I will show coding you once again. It's very interesting coding. If else condition, take the input from digital input, ring your buzzer, turn off the speaker. Now instead of the buzzer, if you want to make LED on, what you will do? कोडिंग रिपीट करना है आकाश? वापस करो कोडिंग या इसी को एक्सप्लेन करो? Shall I do coding once again or shall I explain this only? It's very easy. Wait, Akash, I will delete all the blocks and I will tell again. इसको हम, ये एक साथ जाता नहीं है इसको. ठीक है, अभी सर्किट डायग्राम नो इश्यू एट ऑल. आकाश यू आंसर्ड वेरी लेट. आई डिलीटेड एवरीथिंग नाउ. ओके, नो इश्यू, 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा, सिंपल है. So what we are going to do, I will increasing the size to show you properly the coding. Okay, just go in a control. In control, choose the block if else. Okay, once you choose the block if else, I will zoom it thoda so you will understood. So choose the block if else. You are having a lot of option. Okay, now I have increased the size, I have zoom it for you. So just click here if else. Once you click here in a if else, then you have to go in control mass. In mass you have to check this control box. You can come to know from a shape which you required. Then input, you are taking it from the digital pin. So you have to take input from digital pin. Which was the digital pin? That was pin number 5. Okay, so if input on this pin is equal to 1, less than no, we will set is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, I want to make my buzzer on. So for it, just go in output and take a buzzer. That is a place speaker. Okay, on which pin speaker is connected? Pin number 10. So click on pin number 10. Okay, this 60 frequency, I like it, so I will keep it 60. Whatever you like, change frequency. Okay, then if it is not satisfying, nobody is present on my door, just make it off. स्पीकर को ऑफ कर दो. डन. कौन से पिन नंबर का स्पीकर है? 10 नंबर पे स्पीकर कनेक्टेड है, उसको ऑफ कर दो. सिंपल. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड आकाश? जस्ट वी विल रन इट. सिंपल है. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. इसको थोड़ा जूम इन करते हैं हम लोग. If you are having a 2 door, you people can put a 2 buzzer. Okay, Akash done. So shall we proceed further? 10 minutes हम लोग ले लेते हैं, 5 minutes देखते क्या सेंसर है. If you required. PIR done. LDR का explained you people. It's very simple. Take A0 input. This is done. सोशल डिस्टेंस कीपर बताओ, लास्ट एंड कर देते हैं सोशल डिस्टेंस कीपर पे. So the ready-made projects I am having, that also I will show. The social distance keeper project 2. So anybody can tell me the components required for the social distance keeper? Which sensor we will use for a social distance keeper? We will use Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, LED and buzzer. This is not a circuit diagram. So wait 1 second before going to this slide. It's very simple. You have to take ultrasonic sensor instead of PIR sensor. So थोड़ा सा वायर कंजस्टेड लग रहा है, ऐसे ही जल्दी जल्दी में बनाया था मैंने इसको. It's very easy, nothing else in this project also. So you can see that buzzer connection, if people know, we have connected buzzer to pin number 11. LED we have connected it to pin number 12. Okay, buzzer we have connected to pin number 11.